Hello, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today we are going to solve another LeetCode problems that is very straightforward and simple. We have given one array in which we have only binary numbers, like it should be contain only 1 and 0. So in binary number in array we have to check like how many consecutive ones we have, like it's here only once we get 2 1 and here we get 3 1. So we have to check how many maximum numbers we have once consecutive. Perfect. So this is very simple and straightforward questions. So like here we can see it's 1 and after that we contain 0, so this one will be the ignored and this is we have to count and this is our maximum, so the output should be the true. Perfect. So we are going to solve this. I am using JavaScript and you can use whatever the language you would like to be. So I just first define the arrow functions, that let's give it name the find max, put it 0, uh, arrow function. Perfect. This is perfect. Let's define the array, like const array is equal to, like give it 1 1 1 1 0 0 0 1 0 1 1 1 1 and 1. So we can check it's only 3 we have here, only ones, then we have 1, the zeros 1, and this is our maximum number of ones, so the output should be 5. Perfect. So we have to define more to variable to the stores the values of array. Perfect. Let count. Initially we set it to the 0, and the let we can say the max. Yep. Max count number to count the maximum numbers ones into this. Perfect. So initially I put it the 0. Let's define go to the loop for int I is equal to 0, I less than, oh sorry, uh, let I is equal to 0, and then we have to put array dot length to check the length of array, and then -1 to see the maximum number of array, because we done the -1 because arrays the length starts from the 0. If we don't put the 1, it will exceed the numbers of our array. Perfect. So we put this and we have to just I plus plus. Perfect. This is our array simple for loop, and then we are putting logic. That's very simple logic. We are checking what the numbers of ones, like whenever our array is equal to 1. Perfect. If array of ith value, if array of ith value is equal to what? 1. Perfect. This is our simple logic. It should count what? It put ones into count plus plus. For example, it will, when it count 1, it will count is equal to 1, and then 1 again come into loop, it will count will be become 2, and then 3. Okay, so this is will count our ones into count plus plus. Perfect. After that we have to write just one line of code and our problem will be solved. So if count greater than max count. Perfect. And what will you do? Will max count is equal to count. This is our logic. So what I did whenever the ones come, it always the count greater than the max count. Perfect. it will, because the max count initially we have set up 0. So this will go into what will we do next. Max counts, take the values of count into max count. Perfect. Because we have uh, check the values of I had there and put the values into count, and then we check the if counts that is always greater than the max count, because we max count value is always set up to 0, so we put it into max count. Perfect. uh, After that, what will we do? Like, uh, we will set else, we set the count is equal to 0. Perfect. That's it for it. And we have to return what? Max count. This is our problem solution. What will I do? I will take you from the very start. I just uh, initialize the function and create the one array, and I just make the two variable, that's count is equal to 0 and max count is equal to 0. So I just create the loop and I iterate the values of array. So if here I check if value of array is equal to 1, it should increase the element of count. And after that, I did what? If count value greater than max count, it always greater than max count, because we set the values of max count is equal to 0, and if 1 come into this, the max count value always greater than the max count. After that, what I did, I just gave the count values to the max value. This is it. And else in this, what I did, I just set the count value is equal to 0. If I get any zeros value, if I don't get 1, I get the 0 value, then it will again set the value of count is equal to 0. Perfect. This is what I did. And if I get the initials value of count is equal to like 3, and if I get the count value is equal to 4, then it will again get the count value and it will store into the max count value. Perfect. This is it. Now let's check the output. Log output and find max. This is what we get. This is what we get. We get 5 over here. So this is what I already told you, that we are going to output of 5. Perfect. Let me adjust it bit, like, yes, now whatever will I get, I will get the values of 3 here. So this is our output 3 value. So this is very straightforward and very simple questions. So thank you for watching.